Step 1. Highlight the area of your chart. There it is. Step 2, go to Insert and then down to Pie. Now there's our pie chart. Does it have all the information we want? Let's have a look up here. Chart elements. Chart title, yes, it has donuts there. Chart legend. Well, I don't actually want the chart legend down there, so I'll take that off. Now I want data labels. If I click onto there, I've got one element. I want more than one element, so I'm going to click onto there and go down to Format Data Labels. When I do that, I get all this information here. Category name. Well, I've got the towns in there. Not the towns, the cities in there. Click, I want the percentage. Now just one problem. This blue is too dark. So I'm going to go into the make it, wait, I only want that's better now. If I pull it back together again. Fine. There is my chart. There is all the information I want on it. Perfect. Let's try it a second time. Burgers. Up to Insert. Down to Pie. First. First. Use the legend. Second, data labels. Third, come here, press the right-hand mouse and go down to Format Data Labels. There it is there. Category name, percentage. Now I'm right. Before I clicked onto here, pulled it out, went up to Paint, went down to Gradient, made it lighter, pulled it back. There I have two charts.